So, hello, Elation fam. Welcome to today's crypto market outlook. And today's date is 12th of February. Let's quickly recap and let's quickly see how crypto market is looking and extra informations you should know. This is total market cap. Okay, this we have been in we have a good support in total 3 in alt index, and exactly yesterday we just bounced from these levels, and I think that taking the zero point 0.5 levels of this bullish sorry, this big candle, this level of 367 is a good hurdle to pass. But until and unless this so in lower time frame this may act as a good support and we may see a rejection, but until and unless we see a closing below this 350, I'm not that bearish, and we should actually hold to a good limit. Okay, now talking about the next week, we have in day after tomorrow, we have the CPI on February 14th, right, on 7 p.m. IST. This is the most anticipated event in crypto, so we would see a good volatility coming. So I would suggest that de-risk your portfolio, de-risk your trades. By actually not taking degen longs or shorts, as liquidations may be on both sides. On 15th we have GBP CPI, and on the next day, February 16th, we have US PPI. So next week we have, I guess, the CPI on February 14th, the Valentine. It will be a massive it will give a direction to move actually. And talking about the next indices, let's look on the indices next. We have BTC dominance to say how that's looking. Let's see how BTC dominance looks. We have spotted a bearish pennant in that, right? Now how that is working, let's look that. But actually the bearish pennant, BTC dominance ain't working that good. Market is very choppy as now. We had a bearish pennant, and its target, it's the length of the flagpole of this bearish pennant is actually the target, but we have not attained it. We have actually broken a trend line over there here of red line, and we are above it. And still, until and unless we are above this trend line, we are actually that not that bullish, because it may retest for a good level of like 43.45. We need a strong close below this. So these are weekend vibes, and these are weekend choppiness to say. And let's move on to total market cap. Total market cap suggests that we have actually taken a good support at a monthly OB high of 965 level, and we have formed an inverse head and shoulder pattern, and according to the trading principles, zero point 0.5, that is 989, could be retested. So until and unless we get a closing below 965, it's not that bearish to say we may be in sideways in this range. And talking about the great BTC, that great daddy, so we have took let me show you 1D time frame. In the 1D time frame, it actually pardon me. So in the 1D time frame, okay, this is the BTC chart. We have actually broken down the bearish structure, and we have not yet retested here. And this have, and 18,000 to 19,000 is a good support to be, and the mid range is 20,400. And we have actually we have actually deviated. Been after taking this high, we have seen a deviation around the levels of 20,815. So deviation is not a good sign for bulls, and we have been this we have filled the imbalance of 21.5. So we have been holding it in the lower time frame. The setup is simple. If we lose this level now, if we lose this 21.5 level, the mid range of 20,600 or 20,700 is the next good support to be. And talking about in a lower time frame how this is acting, let's see in lower time frame. uh, if I zoom it out, like 20.5k level, we have been holding a good actually in a parabola. So this zero point 0.5 levels of 20,249 or 20,250 could be retested, but I'm not that bullish. I'm bullish to this level only. But after that we had to revalue, but the sideways chop or the negative momentum may continue until we see a good bullish closing. So today's weekly closing is very very crucial. We don't have to close below 21,651 level. If this closing is below this level, this level of 20,652 is 100 percentage, or like a majority chance, a good chance next week would be we could see Bitcoin in the levels of 20,652, and we don't want that. So we want these levels to hold. Bulls want that level. And talking about the alts, before the alts, I want to give you a nice setup, nice update of Dydx. The Dydx Foundation have just 2 hours before they have launched that something is coming, and I just plotted the chart, right, and I just saw that the chart is pretty decent. It was a good looking chart which could rally, but we are still early. That's the main focus to say. And we have actually gave a triple bottom chart, and we have turned support into resistance, and we have been above this good resistance over here. But the fact here is this is a good resistance of zero point 0.5 level as 2.742, and we have yet to take the, we had took the lows and we had to take the high. So $4 have to be taken sooner or later. But 0.618 level, let me show you in the fib, 0.618 level have been holding like a beauty. Okay, so let me, sorry, let me show you 0.618 level. See, pardon me. Mm, okay, so this level of 0.618 have been, we have bounced from this level exactly, and now we are now we are currently been we have reclaimed the zero point 0.5, right? So as long as I have this level mark, we have two equilibrium highs here. So as long as the dydx is above 2.714 and we hold these levels and we make into a good support, we can actually get a good long till $4. Okay, $4 being a good 50% setup if this holds. And talking about the another alt, anchor have been strong, holding strong, trx have been holding strong. And talking about qnt, I shared in the telegram, it's a good setup to be. And I also want to give one more setup. It was xlm. XLM is a regulatory coin. A regulatory coin have not took the catch up. Okay, they have to run, but they didn't have run XLM especially. So it's at the near bottom, right? XLM is at the near bottom, and in the 1 hour time frame, we are struggling to find a support, but I think that we are almost into it. So it's a bearish flag over here. So in this pullback, I think if this setup hold, we can actually go look for good longs. If this setup holds like a 0.082 levels. So I think that you have got a good idea. I'm still bullish on ZK rollups. This have not lost the heat, and look for NFT coins, regulatory coins, and omnichains coins for the next narratives. And CPI is coming, so de-risk yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.